Chime is a US financial technology platform, but a bingo game advertising cash prizes does not automatically support direct Chime withdrawals. For 2026, the useful comparison is which bingo games provide a supported withdrawal method that can reach your Chime account without relying on an unofficial workaround. Number 5 is In Blackout. Bingo. It is a skill-based bingo game with cash prize gameplay in eligible locations. Before entering a paid game, open its current withdrawal section and check which payment methods are available to your account. Number 4 is NG Bingo Cash to Die. It offers cash prize gameplay and a withdrawal process, but the available payout method can depend on the account and location. Check the current cashier screen before assuming Chime is supported directly. Number 3 is In Bingo Tori Dite. It offers bingo-style gameplay with cash prize options in eligible markets. Check the current withdrawal methods, rather than assuming that a general bank transfer option will automatically work with Chime. Number 2 is NG Cash Bingo Dite. If the game provides a bank transfer or supported payment option, verify whether Chime accepts that particular transfer method before requesting a withdrawal. Number 1 is the bingo game that currently gives you a supported withdrawal method compatible with your Chime account. That could be a bank transfer or another supported payment route, but the exact option needs to be verified inside the app. There is a reason this matters. Chime accounts can receive certain types of electronic transfers, but a gaming app has to support the appropriate payment method for the transaction to work. Do not assume that PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, and Chime are interchangeable. A bingo app supporting one payment service does not prove that it supports another. Also, check the game's eligibility rules. Real money bingo and cash prize games can have location, age, identity verification, and account requirements. Before depositing money, open the bingo app's withdrawal page and look for the exact method you plan to use. If Chime is not listed, check whether the app supports a legitimate bank transfer method that your Chime account can receive. Avoid websites or individuals promising to convert a bingo payout into Chime money for an upfront fee. Use the withdrawal methods provided by the official app instead. The key points are simple. Chime support is not automatic. Payment methods are not interchangeable, and the withdrawal screen is the best place to verify compatibility. Your practical next step is to check the current cash-out options in the bingo app before depositing or playing for real money. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 bingo app guides.